All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about artboards to files. So let's go to File, and we're going to do Export, Artboards to Files, but you're going to notice it's not highlighted because I don't have any artboards. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to right-click on the Move tool and go to the Artboard tool, and we're going to select this, okay? And I'm going to select one to the right. Now I'm going to do File, Export, Artboards to File. So we're going to call this Untitled 1-Artboard. Okay, I'm going to hit Run. Really? Very strange. All right, let's try this one then. Let's do File, Export, Artboard to Files. Untitled 12, we'll call it. Let's run it. Okay, and let me minimize. And there you go. So it did convert it, Untitled 12 Artboard 1.psd. So that's how you convert an artboard to a file. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.